Hello everyone, hope that you all are doing fantastic. By the way, as you know that I'm Saurabh Roy. In today's videos, I'm going to talk about foreign language. So let's talk about foreign language. The first question from this topic: why do you think it is important to learn? To be honest, there are a lot of advantages if you learn a foreign language beside your mother tongue. You can easily communicate with foreign people as well as you can easily know their culture better. So I can say that those are the basically main reason beside mother tongue you can learn a foreign language. Then the next question: how is it helpful to you to speak a foreign language? First of all, if you learn a foreign language beside your mother tongue, it can help many way. Suppose you are a student and you want to go abroad or new country for your study purpose. At that time, if you know their language, so you can easily communicate with them. As well as if you are a traveler, so if you want to visit new countries, at that time, if you know their foreign language, you can easily communicate with them as well as you can know their culture. So like this way, a foreign language can help you. Then the next question: what is the most difficult part learning foreign language? Well, to be honest, different people have different types of difficulty. But if I talk about myself, so I have to say that learning new word, because when I go to learn a new word of a foreign language, at that time most of the time I forget. So I can say that for myself, this is the most difficult part for learning a foreign language. Then the next question: what is the best way to memorize new words? Well, once again, I have to say that different types of people follow different types of formula. But if I talk about myself, to memorize new word, whenever I read a new word, at the time I try to write down 2 to 3 times. If I do these activities, I can easily memorize those words. So I can say that this is the best way to learn a new foreign word, I can say. Then the last question from this topic: why are some language class are boring? I can say that because some of teachers they only focus on book study. They don't do other activities or fun or video gaming. So I can say that they some teacher only focus on book study. This is the reason basically most of the classes of foreign language, I can say that it can be difficulties. So that's all about the foreign language. By the way, thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, tata.